Thank you for being a member of Historic St. Mary City. Today, I will be guiding you through the process of downloading your Historic St. Mary City digital membership card onto your Android phone using the GooglePay app. If you have an iPhone or would prefer to use the Wallet Passes app, we invite you to check out our other videos. This process will require an Android phone that is version 4.0 or later and the use of either the Safari or Chrome web browser. We will begin by installing Google Pay. If you already have this app installed, you may skip to the timestamp on the screen. If you do not, open the Play Store. Search for Google Pay. When the app pops up, install it. Notice that this app has been added to your home screen. Now I will complete the setup for the app. Open it. Your primary email address should appear in the center of the screen. If a different email address is displayed, click the drop-down arrow and find your primary email account in the list. If it does not appear, add it by clicking Add Account at the bottom of the list. You will be asked to enter your phone password, email address, and email password. When this is done and the correct account appears in the center of the screen, press Continue. Enter the phone number of the phone you are using. If your phone number pops up on the screen, you may click that button instead. Then, click Next. Google Pay will ask your privacy preferences. For this video, I will skip through them. Now that Google Pay is ready for use, open your email account. Open the message titled Your New Membership Card from the Historic St. Mary City Foundation. Scroll down until you reach the yellow Download Membership Card button. Click this button. Now click Save to Google Pay. Click Save. Open Google Pay. Scroll down to find Museum under the heading Businesses. Click on Museum. Click on View Card. Note the information at the top, including your name, your membership level, the expiration date of your card, and your member ID. If you scroll down, you will see other important information, such as your membership benefits, the hours of operation of Historic St. Mary City, our website, and the contact information of the Historic St. Mary City Foundation. Click on the 3 blue dots to extend different sections to read the rest of the information. Clicking on them again will compact the section. Click the X in the upper left-hand corner to close out of the membership card. Now, click the arrow in the upper left corner of the screen. Return to the home screen. Your digital membership card has been successfully installed. To access it at any time, simply open Google Pay and click on Museum, then View Card. Thank you for your membership. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding both the installation and features of your membership card. If you require more assistance, you can reach us at membership@digshistory.org or 800-762-1634. If you would like a physical card as well as your digital card, or if you would like a second digital membership card for someone on your account, reach out to the email address provided on the screen. Cards cannot be shared. If you experience trouble with this download, you can access the Museum FAQ by following the link on the screen. The Historic St. Mary City Foundation email address and phone number, as well as the link to the Museum FAQ, can all be found in the video description.